In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can enable multi-factor authentication on NordPass to enhance your security. So you want to go to settings by selecting this little settings icon, then scroll down on this page and then select Enable Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA for short. Here, select Manage MFA. So here we're going to be using the Authenticator app. So here just select Setup and then scan the QR code. So this would require that you download an Authenticator app like Google Authenticator if you don't have an existing one. Right, so once you have the app, you're just going to open it and look for the option to add, and then it will give you the option to scan the QR code. Now once your QR code is scanned, you'll see it in your mobile app. Then select continue. Now from your mobile app, you should be seeing a code that is being generated. So you're going to enter it. Then select continue. So now MFA has been enabled for NordPass. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.